This is an eagle. It has a hook-like beak. Where are the eagles? Go and look for them. I found them. Eagles live high up on the treetop. The eaglets are learning to fly. The eaglet is a little scared. Its mother encourages it to fly. Drag the eaglet. Don't bump into trees. Has finally learned how to fly. Great work! The eagle comes to the sea to look for food. Make sure to find this fish. Wow! The eagle is really fast. Make sure to find this fish. It caught a fish! Fantastic! Make sure to find this fish. And another one. Make sure to find this fish. Wow! The eagle is really fast. Make sure to find this fish. Make sure to find this fish. And another one. Wonderful! So many fish! Daddy Eagle has found so much food. Eaglets have eaten their fill. They're so happy. I had a great time playing with you, my friend, Eagle. Let's play again next time. This is a swallow. It has a scissors-like tail. Where are the swallows? Go and look for them. I found them. Swallows live under eaves. Baby swallows have outgrown the nest. They need a new nest. We need these. Feather. Clay. Branch. Feather. Branch. Clay. Hey, we've found all the materials we need. Fabulous! Let's help the swallows build their nest. Wow, how beautiful the new nest is! Let's decorate the new nest. Feathers can make the nest more comfortable. Put the baby swallows into the nest. Swallows love eating bugs. I had a great time playing with you, my friend. Swallow. Let's play again next time. This is Toucan. It has a very big beak. Where are the toucans? Go and look for them. I found them. Toucans live in a tree in a jungle. This opening is a bit small. Enlarge it so that the toucan can live in it. What a fabulous new house! The baby toucans are hatched. Daddy Toucan is going out to look for food. The toucan loves scampering from branch to branch. And it loves eating small fruits. Help it find some small fruits. Tap on the firm branch so that it can jump forward. Ouch! Be careful! Toucan has found so much food. Daddy Toucan has brought back so much delicious food. Baby toucans are having a great time feasting. I had a great time playing with you, my friend, Toucan. Let's play again next time.